drivers tuning in this morning. We say Bulamanaka to all the drivers who are on the road right now.
Yes.
Suvarnashori corridor. We say Bulamanaka to you all and all the passengers tuning in this morning. We also say Bulamanaka and welcome to all our friends from overseas who are enjoying their
living
stay. And the hotel kita saat di bulan Sarbanua na mga Banua. Manesa sa Pakara, Pakakina and Nabuli ko na Banua. Yandra, Bulamanaka, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
From Golan Heights.
Oi.
Syria, location 22. Mbali lamba sa salolom sa na Kornanduri Maduata.
Isa.
Semotoningo imbali ke imbali lambasa. O atamay Isaac Bunimbaka.
Iya.
May oti na bagay kabingon dotok na kokoto diri auto na banano ni nonda bebuta tino box so pati kita may Isaac.
Ano ba kita may Isaac?
Good morning.
Kita ba nini bina kada buri to kada mataka di makata bisik ni kwa.
Well, good morning to tamay abo ang kalimbao.
Iyo.
Anto yan ramina ka baro cheningo ka na ngol ni dakala kay Meriki ni South Wales. O meli tai ben o mana kay tamay abo.
Meriki am America may New South Wales.
Usaba go Amerika talo usaba go sa cintal ni sila jana kango. Yo kajitu.
Iya pon nimla tal tunga bingon ni state be kami ni boy. Kele bubal do se mato mengor men nanda keke en na mataka bina kari ko. And everybody.
That's Nanda Keke Estate.
Nanda Keke Estate.
Oi.
Nanda Keke Estate is the very deepest river in the Fiji.
In the Keti?
The Nriketi River.
Oi.
The deepest river.
Iyo.
It's good for invitation.
Ano ka Baby Dubs and LT1230?
Who's?
Baby Dubs.
Oh, Baby Dubs.
Ano ka buri to kan di ko sar may Cornibia. Doon na drop drop sar bangoi
Namboro.
Iyo, doon na sa sabaya.
Ayo.
Sama chuko mayan na motakari kwa. Ano binaka. Loman ito lili basi.
Inside the bus, inside the vehicle, everything.
Doon binaka. Tolili pa ito kay tolili kambani.
Yes.
Pag nini binaka bugo ni sokwasa mi kimena kada sokwasa boli. Ngoli chuko ng buwa lumbua, ngoli chuko may natobyo na matakari kwa. Nagyang ning goli. And nonta wasa. Ni wiki mena nadoro ito kay. Di sama chuko may kina na matakari kwa ni Andri mata binaka.
To all the students, they sleeping this morning.
Yeah.
Try to exchange your health. Your,
Exchange gift.
Your life. Exchange gift.
Your
life, because of the tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow.
You have to wake up early. Today, all the teachers should be in school.
Right.
And tomorrow morning,
you
should wake up early. Some of the students, they wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Some of them, they wake up at 3 o'clock to help their mom. Make breakfast, make good lunch to school. And some of them, they're sleeping. And all the mom will wake them. Hey, wake up. It's nearly 6 o'clock. This is your hot water. Go and bath.
Mewan wanga noko. This is the one who calling us on MTC last week.
Yeah, you should call her Nay.
We relations. Kito veo kalti ko na is described to Tineabu.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Naina's mom.
Yeah. No, Nay. Talk to you, Nay.
And auntie, thank you very much. Obi, doyan raturanga, usinuela labals, apenisaneato, and everybody joining this morning. We love you all. It's a different morning, even though it's a tough night, because it's very cold. But we are fortunate enough to survive in the night.
Tomorrow, some of the students will wake up, they'll stretch their leg.
Yes.
They'll stretch their arm. Because the weather change. It's a bit cold every morning. That's why myself sleep this morning. Bakandua.
Kagata ka ba mo kuni exercise na next morning. Exercise around December romote.
That's a true story. Yana kandina. That's a true story. You need to bicycle style.
Bicycle kick.
Bicycle kick ko rasoka. Mo never mo Some of us is kind of weather now till now. Some of us in the bed we are bicycle. Butu bicycle. Ndo ila kendera.
Okay, talo tama tang onik sa kaliki na namdum tabo na long.
Myself, when I'm sleeping, both my hand on my chest.
Sadina.
And my 2 legs, they up and down. Aerobically.
Right.
I sleep like that.
When sa kalit chuka nakata-kata. Sinter mon roki na batago.
Nay.
Roki sana. When roki sana koreda. On my sana go. Bata na bantal ngan ni seklit
Come.
No, because I had a story. I want to ask you.
Whose story?
I want to ask you.
Ask.
Your mother told me the story. That you put your hands in your breast, in your chest.
And a cable tie.
and the what you call your leg.
Kneecap.
Always moving.
Yeah.
And one day your mom will wake you up.
Demes.
Demes, wake up, Demes.
Yeah.
Who spilled the water inside the mattress?
Oh! From the dreamland! The water was coming from the dreamland and supposed to be hanging.
No.
Huh?
And you said, oh, the wrong spirit.
Kaning anak simbol Melaka. And also
You should blame the cold.
he's now joining. Sipiloa.
Oi.
Tamayeta.
You know the vapor of the roof?
Iyo, di nasar.
The vapor
The
of
rooftop
the
concept.
The rooftop, when it's very cold.
The cover up.
Iyo.
The vapor coming out.
Iya, iya.
Santubam.
That's why
Iya.
all that vapor
Yeah.
come to Demes' bed
Iya.
Yeah.
and
Absorb.
the mattress.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Demes, wake up, wake up.
Iya.
Who spilled the water?
Daipa.
Okay, our story this morning.
Gori.
About the maraming lambasa.
Ooh, every time and
Wala baseni.
Christmas and New Year.
Yeah.
All the people they well done prepare
Hadan.
for all the maramas,
Yeah.
to see each other wearing the sulu bakatonga.
The new
Sulu, the new one.
Yeah.
And every time, you know, if they go to Lambasa town,
Yeah.
they'll say, hey, make sure
Yeah.
buy my sulu bakatonga from Hong Kong fashion.
Hong Kong fashion.
Hong Kong fashion, Lambasa.
Yeah.
It's like a well-known place, eh?
Saya rasa risunge yang ramalek kemenrau, yang ramalek kalau kawika.
Yeah.
And after that, during Christmas Eve,
Yeah.
all the Marama were watching each other.
Yeah.
The one Marama came up with one Sulbakatonga.
Yeah, different fashion.
Yeah, different fashion. Some of the marbles they hanging around the Sulbakatonga.
Yeah.
Marbles.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know the marbles?
Yeah, like hanging.
Tantilo.
Iyo, hanging. Some of them are flat Sulbakatonga.
Yeah.
Some of them are
Half cook.
Half cook Sulbakatonga.
Colorful ones.
Iyo.
Yeah.
And Tinichawana came.
Yeah.
Oh.
When Tinichawana came, all the Marama was looking.
You
Abu
quite
Dhabi.
total dala.
Iyo,
Yeah.
he's speed but he's wrong.
Yeah.
Very speed, but he's wrong.
Oh.
Always wrong. Yeah.
Wrong speed.
Wrong speed.
Yeah.
And they ask, hey,
Yeah.
Tinichawana.
Yeah.
Very good Sulbatonga, nice one.
Nice
Yeah.
one, sir.
Nice one.
Yeah.
All the people was like looking at the Sulbatonga.
Yeah.
Very nice one.
Yeah.
Hey,
That was different. Yours is the different sana.
Yours is different.
Yeah.
Why? What happened? Yeah. You know what?
Yeah.
Because Tamay Chawana, and you know some of the Sulbatonga, it was always written there.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Because it's New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
They will write anything according to the season.
Season.
Yes. For affordable and maintenance.
Here. Iyo. And this one speed with wrong, eh?
Yeah.
Iyo.
Tutul
Tamachawana went to Lambas yesterday
Yeah.
and bought my Sulbakatonga.
Mata mulai tungguri.
See, it's written here.
Yeah.
Merry New Year and Happy Christmas.
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah.
Merry New Year and Happy Christmas. He bought it from Hong Kong Stadium.
No Hong Kong fashion.
It's Hong Kong fashion to Chawana. It's not Hong Kong Stadium. Hong Kong Stadium me gusta Sulbakatonga.
In other words, sokong po.
I was drop goal in the middle of the second point in the Hong Kong Stadium. Yang ragas usa na binatang nabi adi tuin rabutum balilangi tamo ng Korea.
Tabo.
Iyo.
Ako kan tabo lento juga menokor.
Okay, Sir Kumar.
Apa betul pak orang cuma kau tamai kamera dan osabu.
Ah.
Koran turni wani koran nentu muni sulu. Nambite.
Gori.
Ko de kay may kasi na nambite. Na bimbini sulu. Lebron na kata-kata ko na sila ko na totoo dala.
Iya.
Gitarong ako berto de chibale. Odi baka me odi baka sita ka.
Iya.
Agit ko ko odi kasita ka.
Iya sabukin nabi na kamela.
Wey. Iya, kan tantu itu na buru-buru
Gori.
So batu ya nonra itu puni non ripos-pos. Ya sa ramai pangalasa tu ni VK so tantu tak kabel bising. Maka mentu buka siapa tahu tu ni tabali. Oh, dah.
Jo arbutang mo yan rapinak. Iya. Endau undau talitang na tu batikiran na wekan tapaya. Endo bakal salas tumbalet tenang ano kon. Ali mo ni dol libre ka ba may.
Ya dina sara.
Hindi na tu iran daw bakal salas tu me mo sa dala tu sunungon nintali Sabi tahu butuh nonton bekas sama terselera rotale. Kira-kira cikolo mana? Sama maya na bosa.
Batu maya.
Iya.
Iya, sama boleh besar.
Ngono minta daw grog dop tukin na sangka redir.
Talo tak mantan mo yung kono.
Oh, nang kono $80 na kilo. Half kg, 40 kg.
Rongo kemini kita na
Circa manon to lebih mama na kilo.
Circa manon to lebih lus.
Dungan mo baraw tin kalim nan tolo sama tini.
Iya. Lagi. Salam itu rangan na binaka. Nambong kito to wala may bale. Gay mata nambong sa tinti karua.
Iya, sa nandun bilis mo na chibi ko.
Ano mo matani ko fresh. Kinipi wa.
Nandun bilis mo na chibi ko mi.
Belit ya mo wala sa rikolo tangin nambong.
Bekimna kanda bekimna na itumu-tumu na be susu. Madawa ni buli be na leben sato nga matanda po bati ni bunga be na durimbure ra sana bimbi me vale. Lutum pe kana bitalati sa takane singa na no. Ina bosa ni bubale. Bunga be na leben targa isar chumenu yanu ra sama chingo be kori taka. So ra chingo be non nei non momo non na lebu na landa.
Na no?
Na wali sara itumu-tumu na be susu.
Era masula kinangon ni bimbisu bili kito le lutu Saint Gabriel Anglican Church.
Iyo.
Imonikos?
Iyo.
Ako kalau ngata ni lawan yung bisu bili usar nga na Pasifika.
Sanjina.
Alay rakalutu una wika.
Iya.
Ara masulik sarakin nangon.
Na totok.
Pinawali usar.
Tapa buli be ngai chinga bir no benta na bosa be balong gangata kisindra ka rende na buru-buru ka bibi ngano da bito ko di tumbu-tumbu. Na wasa di bulingo kilebina kana lubenta na dins. Lebu era sabule ro chikona papa ningito. Lebu era terrin chikona ngoni sere ni buli sora kamba bata. Da biti mile lebu era ngoli papa lang di silanji. Chapani. Pero ngoni bulelin, na korni bul me maris, na korni bul me rat konta bul school. Na na pabaro tsinga lu benta. Eno buguli dins. Sai la bul besar rauki na buguli kontaraki. Eno be kala na be se borbura. Roto kina na mbule na bupala na be singa. Na boli pale, na boli ngele, na boli tolil, na kena botore de taki. Kambimbi kana da bito ko nei tumbu. Pata kina ndoni be sus.
Tame kere si menandong o tamai tapis. Oi, pata itapis. Ah, mori teman tadi ngundong ko kili itu. Tamay tu bunimba.
Iya.
Bunimba ah. Oh ya na
Dogo klik itu.
Nimbe so kaya ta menakor. Ser na wanga. Tori karo kombauda anda ponang kuria kota mai meleng longuni nakor.
Oh, entah namai.
Entapuna.
Iya.
Paselang ko ngunti tungo. Fina momo.
Iya.
Bina ko bagaliw. Ser na wanga. Oh, ya na binak. Na baliw na bengare. Nak atonyo mo dewas kito na biyo kaniko kito sa lolo man bimbito ni bikemo
Taman ni lolo masangkit yun.
Santa pina numi bulingan na lolo man di naman tangan ninda sikan dong buso tatu
iyo
na mata na buto
kito na ko taman ni sota talakir ni kadimay mikito ngolen
Oh kemini lo tahu
iyo
matakal ni ko misana bisa na tamuni
meta ba
ahora di kemini
Abdullah
ahora di kemini tanong na kamera
iyo
kemini misana tamuni ko medamuni o baby do
mero
Scooby-Doo
baby do
Grace O'Brien nisa may lutuan ni bukan itasiri alipatin na kasi mong na korni Jose Winnie Resu
iya
tumbulan
bisa
epanes boleh bina kalewa kabika pon ini bina ulwing gravi pe olewayaro ndo boleh bina kami Tonia na wali sara bito kari boleh mai na to kan dan bing gravi
kurmun tuko
samturang tani ko
engon de miska ka tande pon ini bina ulwing gravi kai like hat saya